Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Sanjana. In today's video, I'll be doing a review of the My Positivity kit from a brand called Cover It Up. Before we get started, I want to give a quick shout out to the team because they reached out to me and they offered to send this product so that I could share it with you guys. And I am super excited because there are so many cute things in here that I want to talk through. First, let's start off with the Make It Count calendar. I absolutely love how cute and tiny this is. It's just like it's smaller than my palm and it looks really cute. I feel it's perfect for if you have a small desk, or if you like calendar but you don't really want to give it a lot of space on your desk. I think this is pretty good. It's quite tiny and nice. I love it. I love how minimal it is, but yet it's got a little bit of color, and that's good because with some of the minimal products, what I've observed is it's very beige and bland and that kind of a vibe. I don't like that at all. So it's really nice to see if you've got a minimal but yet colorful calendar for those of you who prefer it. And also it would be great for kids as well, young teens, or even I think younger than that. I think it'll be really good for them. One thing I'm a little bit confused with this calendar is that it's printed both sides. Like you see January is here, but it's printed on the other side as well. So I'm not really sure why that is, but I think having extra is fine rather than some of the months being missing, so I have no complaints in there. So this is called the Make It Count calendar. I feel this calendar would be great for countdown as well. You have these like a box, and then if you're counting down to something, you can put a check mark over it, because I think that's a nice activity to do. I used to do that if I'm looking forward to something that's over a period of like more than a month or something. I would create a calendar, or like day 1, day 2, day 3 until how many ever days there are, and I would cross it off every single day. Okay, so the second product we have here is this notepad. You have this to-do notepad as well as to buy. I absolutely love notepads and I'm just really enjoying them lately. Usually I used to love notepads, but I wouldn't use it as frequently as I'm using it now. I don't know what has gotten into me ever since I reorganized my stationery. I've just been using notepads a lot, and I'm so happy that I could add these two into my collection. Especially the to buy one. I don't have a notepad that says to buy, so that's gonna be quite nice. So this is the second product, and then this product too I am just loving after I reorganize my stationery. It is quote cards. I really like them. I love setting them up on my desk, with this wooden stand that you see here. If I just prop it up like this, it's gonna look cute and nice. And I also have a memo board on which I have added a couple of prints. It's right here on the wall. I'll show it to you in the desk tour video. But I've added a couple of prints on there, and I've also added a few quotes. So I think these would be a great idea to bring in some color. And then the quotes are very like sweet and nice. Some of them you can see here, they're pretty good. Also, I think it would be a nice on one of their weeks I could use these to decorate my planner instead of stickers. I think that's a good idea. Or you can use these as cards to like shuffle it. You can just flip it the side, shuffle, and then randomly pick some card and see what quote you have. It says, enjoy the little things. So look at it as a sign from the universe to do that. Let's just, for fun, let's pick another card. This one. Oops. I think that's a pretty strong message that we are receiving from the universe, to enjoy little things in life. Okay, I am gonna pick this one. Oh, we've got two. One, it says, it's okay if today was not your day. That's quite nice. And then another one says, escape the ordinary. So I love doing these things. It's, like with cards and all that, shuffling and just picking it up randomly. I think that's a nice activity that you can do. Okay, next, I think this is my most favorite product in this kit, which are stickers. I absolutely love stickers. You guys already know that. And these are pet themed stickers. That is at another level. I just really, really love pets, and I'm so glad to receive this. Actually, this particular kit comes in different themes. It comes in travel. This is the pet lover theme, and there are a few more. I think there are about 4 or 5 themes. And the team was really sweet. They gave me an option to pick anything that I want, and I picked pet lover. I'm so happy with these stickers. I'm gonna use these stickers as well in one of the weeks to decorate my planner. I'm gonna save them for now. Then we have the My Positivity planner. I really like the designs here. This year actually I did not buy the Alicia Souza planner, and I somewhat miss the vibe and yeah, just the vibe that I would get out of that planner. And I kept debating, should I buy it now, should I not, especially because the price is reduced. And then I got this planner, and I feel it's a really good like a complimentary product to Alicia Souza ones. The doodles are quite nice and cute. And this planner is slightly different to what's available, especially in the Indian market. Also, even outside, at least I haven't come across this kind of a planner. So we'll go through the yearly pages first, and I'll walk through the monthly pages because they're so different. And some of you might feel like this would be a good use. Okay, with the yearly pages, you have a manifestation page, and then a bucket list, writing a letter to your future self. Also, this, you can cut it at the mark here, and then you can fold it and put it in an envelope. Then you have got this year you will, a couple of prompts. What do you want to start doing, quit, you want to learn. I just feel like it's a really nice activity to do. Even if you don't follow it, at least like for fun, you know, I think it'll be quite nice to do it. It's just, it looks fun. Then you start off with the monthly pages. You get a cover page, then you have your goal setting page, and then your affirmations page. I love doing affirmations. Then you have make a list of things you're looking forward to in the future. This prompt too is there in my main planner in the monthly dashboard. I really love it. I love this prompt. So it's nice to just write something about it. And because this is plain, either you can make a list, or you can add stickers, or you can journal about it. I think my favorite way would be to just journal in here rather than writing a list or setting it up with stickers, because I would love to use this as a brainstorming planner. And then you have a doodle when you are, so when you're feeling happy, you can come here and doodle something. And when you're feeling meh, you can also do that. Sad, and then angry. I guess that is angry or frustrated. And then this says, here's a page for you to write down stressful thoughts and destroy them, like literally destroy them. And you can pick any one of these ways to do that. I think there's a lot of significance in doing that. I don't know if you're aware, during the winter solstice, one of the practices that people do follow is writing things that you want to let go from your life on small sheets of paper, and then you go burn it. And then they say it actually vanishes away from your life, or it goes away from your life. I was invited to a winter solstice party one year, and I went and I did that. It was so nice. They followed a few rituals and all that. It was quite a hippie group, so I really enjoyed doing that, and I think it would be nice to do it again. So this is a really nice, it was just a nice way to remember it. Okay, we start off with the monthly pages. This is what I meant by this planner is quite different. First of all, this is undated. The monthly dashboard does say that January, February and all that, but other than that, all of the pages are undated. So you get your monthly calendar in here. Starts on a Sunday. I think you can easily switch it up because you're going to write your own days. And then on the other side of the page as well, you have the calendar. Again, I'm not really sure about this. Even on the calendar I showed you, right? January was on both the pages, and even this one monthly calendar is on both the pages. So I'm not really sure why that is, but I think it would be nice if you don't want to use multiple planners but you want calendars. I struggled with this with regards to my content planning. I wanted my monthly, none of the planners that I tried were working out for content planning. but I really needed a monthly calendar view for that. So I think it would be nice to add your regular life admin appointments on important dates on there, and this one you can use it for content planning. If you're using it in different ways, I think that'll be really good. And then there are no weekly or daily pages. It's just a few blank pages. And this is so nice. In a few of my previous videos, I had mentioned that I'm looking for a planner that just has a monthly calendar and a few notes pages. And I think this is so good for that. It'll be really good for budgeting. Then it'll be really good for again, brainstorming ideas. I am using a content planner right now, but I really worry and try to keep it very clean and neat, but there are some things that I just need to work out, and I'm just doing it in a regular notebook. So I think this planner would be amazing for that, because I can work out, I can just think, okay, which video would go live when. They want to include any other type of content in my calendar. I think I can use one for YouTube and then the other one for Instagram. I think that'll be actually good. And I can use these notes pages to just brainstorm ideas, to make lists, or to plan out certain videos. I think that's going to be quite nice. And oh, I didn't show you the January cover page, I guess, but you have this scratching, I don't know, section here, in those lotto cards and all, we would scratch, and you would know. Let's actually get a coin and try to see what we have here. Can do it. Let's see. The only thing is it's just gonna get a little bit messy. Ah, that's it. It says encourage a friend or a family member. That is so nice. I think it's just, I think it's like activities of kindness, right? You can do these little things in your life as activities or acts of kindness. I remember we had this in school days that they would recommend us to do, so that's quite nice too. I just love all these tiny details about this planner. I really like the idea of certain pages, especially the thing that burn it out. That's quite nice. And all of the months are assigned a different color. So you have March in this beautiful purple color. I just really like how colorful and nice the planner is. It's so simple too. So you have spot for photo dump, wherein you can add your photos from the year. I think it would be nice, like Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. I think that'll be a good idea. And look at the stickers that we have. So many functional ones. Urgent, important, then smiley stickers. Then you have a couple of like events, birthdays, like 5 stars. I think this planner would be quite good for kids too. Like, I think that's a nice idea. Then Sunday, these day stickers. And then you have a back pocket. So I think this is where you put the letter, right? It says Dear Me. So that's pretty good. Let me know what you think about this planner. I think it's quite cute and nice. It's so different from all of the other options that we have available in the market. And I like it. I think it's quite nice. So I loved all of these additional accessory products, especially the stickers. They're just so cute, and also the notepad. So yeah guys, that is it for today's video. I would love to hear your thoughts on the My Positivity Kit. Also, in case you want to check out, I will leave the website link in the description box below, so that you can click the link and check out this product. And if you want to make a purchase, you can do so. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you liked watching, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.